Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. It's the time of year where you want to kind of curl up inside and maybe do a few crafts and stay warm because we're getting some snow and it's getting a little cold. So I wanted to show you a few things that we have at the shop that you can do on your own or with some kids maybe. Of course, we have lots of puzzles, lots of awesome puzzles. Really nice. These are Canadian made puzzles. We have a whole selection of them. We have some great sticker books, a variety of them, some for adults, some for kids. We have these great little embroidery kits. Gives you all the instructions that you need in there to make the embroidery pieces. There's a little hoop and everything for them to go in. And then we have all of these great pieces from a new company in Nova Scotia. So they're felted kits, they're stitch kits. It comes with everything you pretty much need except maybe a pair of scissors. And you can make these really great little ornaments. We also have these carving kits, soapstone carving kits, also made in Canada. And there's a variety of those as well, and they come with a little, all the little tools that you need for that. So that's a great little one. And then we also have these puppets from Kate and Levi, also made in Canada. They're from Toronto, and they make a kit where you can actually make your own little toy. So there's a dog, and I think there's maybe a chicken, but there's a few of them, but also made in Canada. So really nice products. We can help you choose something and get you started and do some crafting. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.